we're going to be talking about court. Court. And before I get going, I want to say that this video is for educational purposes only and is also for entertainment purposes only. I am not a lawyer and I'm not giving you legal advice, but just listen up. About 3 accounts ago, I was telling everybody the situations, well, one of the situations that I got going on here in South Bend, Indiana, St. Joseph County. And that's where I'm from, everybody. This particular situation right here was when an officer by the name of Dakota Crimmings came onto my property and started tampering with my truck. Now, I'm in the house asleep. He's outside basically snatching plates off of my Range Rover. I had a 2006 Land Rover Range Rover on this particular day, in which he begins banging on my windows and banging on my doors and everything. Like I said, I wake up, I notice he's outside. I'm basically like, what are you doing here? Yada, yada, yada. He pursues to say that my truck was stolen and the plates were stolen on my truck. And long story short, y'all, they ended up taking my Range Rover off my property with no warrant or exigent circumstances. And this happened about January 2023, y'all. It was Dakota Crimmings and 2 other officers, Lieutenant Mike Ingalls and Zachary Overton. So anywho, y'all, I take this case to small claims court. Small claims court basically fucked me around. The judge, Eric Tomaseski, basically dismissed my case over how my name was spelled on the docket, okay? And this was in state court. They basically said that I wasn't the party in interest and I didn't bring the claim in my legal name, which is the all caps name, and so on and so forth. I filed for it to be removed into federal court, in which I was going back and forth with the federal court judge, Damon R. Leahy, Northern District of Indiana. And like I said, going back and forth quite some time, having paper wars with him, trying to get into court on this situation. So finally, everybody, I don't know what happened down there, who may have tapped him on the shoulder and let him know, but he lets me in the court, y'all. And this is the court documentation from the United States District Court, Northern District of Indiana. I am the plaintiff. This is one of the officers who initiated contact on my property illegally. And this is a notice of lawsuit and a request to waive service of summons. This is being served to the parties involved in the matter, y'all. Now, once again, I have no attorney. I have no lawyer. I have no counsel. I am representing myself in this matter, y'all. And this says to Officer